Good morning, everyone. This is your dude Oda coming to you with part 3 of our crochet series, the crochet basics. So as you can see, I have my little cat mug there, and needed to start the day off right with a cup of coffee because I'm a cat dad. And we're gonna jump right on into it. So we got our hook, we got our yarn, let's get to it. So today we're going to go over a magic ring. The magic ring has created so much controversy, so I'm going to make it simple. So take 3 fingers, wrap the yarn around your fingers to make an X. So once you have that, you're going to take your hook, go under the first part of the X, grab the second part of the X and twist. And then you'll have a small little ring right there. Okay, it looks weird, but it's a little weird, so bear with me. So this part I'm going to add a chain just to lock it in place, but then the next part, the video is going to speed up and I'm going to show you exactly how to work into the magic ring. So I'm chaining 3 and we're going to do some double crochets in here. So double crochet. If you don't know what a double crochet is, go back to my previous video, part 2, and I'll show you in detail on how to do it. So we're just going inside the ring. Now, we've gotten to the very end of the ring because we couldn't do anymore. So what we're going to do is we're going to slip stitch. A slip stitch is just to lock 2 stitches in place. So we're going to go to the very top of the first chain 3 we did, and then we're going to insert our hook. Then we're going to take a loop up, go through there, and then go through the loop that was previously on our hook, and then we have our round. You see, nice little puff, little thingamajig there. Going to zoom in. So yeah, that's exactly how you do a magic ring. Take care and follow for more.